Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to update your cover photo or your profile picture on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then simply come to your profile section. In your profile section, if you want to change your cover photo, just tap at this camera icon and tap at upload photo. It will be redirect it to your album or to your gallery, and you'll have to select a specific photo which you want to add at a cover. If you just simply want to make some changes, just simply tap over there, and you can just simply like it avatar, or you can like it over college, or whatever you want, or you can select a photo on Facebook. So if you want to change your profile picture, just simply tap at your profile picture and tap select profile picture. It will be redirect you to your album. And if you just simply want to change a frame or add a frame, just simply tap add frame. From here, your option to like select the type. It's a climate action, friend of earth, love the earth, or whatever. Or you can tap at see all, and it will show all of those categories. Just simply tap on it, and it will show the related like frames according to your like selected type. Just simply select a frame like that. Your frame, just simply if you want to show it to your newsfeed, just simply check tap at this box like that. And you can also set the visibility from very top left. Just simply tap on it. Oh, okay, so you cannot change the visibility, it's only like public. So once you're done with this, just simply tap at save in the top right corner to save the changes. Here again, we have just updated our like profile picture. So that's how you can easily update your profile picture. So I hope it helps you guys. And if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below, and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks, guys. And if you don't, just like and subscribe. And if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Goodbye till the next video.